Hello everyone and welcome to the hands-on demo on AWS CloudTrail. So in this demo, we will create an S3 bucket for CloudTrail logs. Then we will set up a CloudTrail trail. We will configure CloudWatch logs integration. We will generate some sample activity by creating a user and creating a S3 bucket. Then we will analyze CloudTrail logs. Then we will test the whole setup and then clean up all the resources that we have created for this demo. So this is how the demo overview looks like. So we start with S3 bucket, and that S3 bucket will be used by the CloudTrail, and we'll stream the logs to CloudWatch, and CloudWatch also in turn stores its logs in S3 itself. And this is the setup. So create S3 bucket, CloudTrail, logs, generate sample activity, analyze and test the whole setup. So first step is to create a S3 bucket. So I have logged into AWS console home, and you can search for S3 or you can click on S3. So I'll just search in case it's not there. In case you don't see in your recent services menu. So click on S3. I will copy the S3 bucket name. Click on create bucket. Paste the name. Make sure you add some random numbers at the end so that there is no conflict universally, because it's a global namespace, and keep all the settings default. Create bucket. So bucket is created. Next step is to create a CloudTrail trail. So for this, go to the CloudTrail service. I will copy the name of the trail. Search for CloudTrail. I will open this in a new tab. So once the AWS CloudTrail homepage appears, click on this 3 hamburger icon and click on trails and click on create trail. Give the trail name and choose use existing S3 bucket. So you can create a new S3 bucket also, but I will choose existing S3 bucket and click on browse and select the bucket which you have just created. So I'll take my CloudTrail logs, choose that one, and make sure you have all these options default selected: log file, SSE, KMS and encryption enabled, and customer manage AWS KMS key. So provide a alias. So this is new KMS key. I will take the alias name, paste the alias name, and log file validation enabled, and this I will enable later, and click on next. Under events type, just select the default one, management events, event type, and API activity. This will be for the management event. So we are saying we will be tracking read and write for the management activity. So there are other types of event which are data events, which will log the resource operation performed on or within a resource. Then insights event, this is identify unusual activity, errors or user behavior in your account. And then we have network activity event, which is in preview. So click on next and review and create. So just click on create trail and this will create our CloudTrail trail. So we have done all these steps. Okay. So now, so this one I wanted to show that even after you create a trail, you can enable the settings. So if my trail is created, and I will edit the CloudWatch logs. So basically what this will do, first all the events will come to CloudTrail, and then it will stream the events to CloudWatch logs. So just say enabled and new, just choose take the default name and IAM role. So you can just provide the IAM role. So I'll take this particular IAM role. So CloudTrail CloudWatch logs /role, and that's all. You can check out the policy document. So this is how it looks like. Whatever changes we have done, it has affected here. So this is how the policy looks like. And save changes. So this will enable the CloudTrail integration with CloudWatch also. So now we will test. So first is to create a test bucket. Now all the API operations will be logged, so this will be captured by the CloudTrail. So I go to S3 and click on create bucket. I'll randomly add some numbers at the end and create bucket. So this will trigger a CloudTrail event. Next I will create a test user. For this I will go to IAM service, open this in a new tab, click on users, create user, username, next, and create user. So user created successfully. So now we will check out the CloudTrail event history. So if I go back to the CloudTrail service, I click CloudTrail and click on event history. So you will start see event history messages like create bucket. So this has shown, and if you just click on the event, you should see the test bucket that we have created. So this is started logging in, and if I just refresh, there should be an event for create user also. So this is the event for create history, create user, and we can see the what resource was created and what was the API call. So all the whole history will start. So even update, delete, everything you should be able to see. Okay, next we will check out the logs. So everything goes to the CloudTrail S3 bucket log. So we can check out from there also. So if I go to S3 buckets, and so this was the S3 bucket that I have selected for when I enabled CloudTrail. So if I click this and go to AWS logs and go to CloudTrail, digest is for the hash. So I click refresh. So this takes few minutes to start appearing because it's near real time but not real time. So I'll just pause the video and come back when there is a data. So it took some time, and then after that you will see under the CloudTrail folders, if I click on CloudTrail, for that particular region I should see the data, and this is segregated by the date, and inside that you will see the object GZ file. So if I just click it, and you don't have to download or unzip it, just select that and click on open. It will open a new tab, and on the fly it will decrypt and show you the file. So if I just search for test user, so you can see the test user. So this is being captured as a log in a JSON format. So we have seen this, and then finally we'll check out the CloudWatch logs also. So for this I will go to the CloudWatch service. I'll open this in a new tab. And you have to go to under logs, log groups. So if you just scroll down, this was the log group that it created when we enabled the CloudWatch logs. So just select that. If you click that and open, it will open, and you will see all the log streams. So these are the streamed log, and what we have to do is just search all log streams and click on this particular button. This will expand all the log streams, and then you can just search on your browser using Control F or Command F for what you are looking for. So just say test user. So this will verify that we can see our events are coming to the CloudWatch also. And now I will just do the cleanup. So first is to delete the trail. So I will go to the CloudTrail. Okay, so CloudTrail is here and click on trails. Select the trail and click delete. So trail is successfully deleted. Next is to delete the test bucket. So if I come to the S3 buckets and click on buckets, so we have to delete all these buckets. So first I will delete the test bucket. Click delete bucket and that got deleted. Next is to delete this particular CloudTrail logs, and for this select this, and first you have to empty it because there will be some content. Copy paste the name, just copy, type in this permanently delete and empty, exit, and now I will delete the bucket. So just copy the name and paste in delete bucket. And lastly we have to delete the CloudWatch bucket also. So I'll just say empty and type in permanently delete, exit, and then delete the bucket. So copy paste the name, so all the buckets got deleted. Next is to delete the CloudWatch log group. So go to CloudWatch and log groups and select the log group and actions. Delete log group. So the log group got deleted. And delete the test user. So in the IAM service, select the user and delete. Okay, user is also getting deleted. And delete the IAM role. So that CloudTrail created this particular role so that it can talk to CloudWatch. So this will be under IAM. Click on roles and select the role and delete. So type in so I take and paste it and delete the role. Okay, role got deleted. And finally there is a KMS key also that was used to encrypt our logs, so that will we can delete that also. So for this I have to go to KMS service. So search for KMS and if you go to customer managed keys, so this is the one, my AWS KMS key, key actions, schedule key deletion, because you need minimum 7 days and after 7 days this will get deleted. So confirm and schedule deletion. So it is pending deletion. And that's all. Thanks for watching.